Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Srivastava and I am SAP Specialist Customer Engineer at Google Cloud. Today, we are diving into the crucial aspect of networking for Rise with SAP on Google Cloud Platform. Understanding your connectivity options is key to a successful and efficient SAP environment in the cloud. But before that, let me take you to the networking capabilities offered by Google Cloud. Google has the largest privately owned global network. With over 2 million miles of fiber, Google has the capacity to deliver 4 times the bandwidth of the entire internet in use today. Google Cloud is the only hyperscaler that provides a premium tier networking by default to keep our customers' internet traffic on our highly reliable network until it is as close as possible to the end consumer. This not only offers lowest latency and best performance, but also reduces the surface area for any attack. So what does the network architecture for Rise with SAP on GCP looks like? As you can see in this sample reference architecture, SAP's Enterprise Cloud Services (ECS) provisions a dedicated customer project with its own virtual private cloud (VPC). This VPC will house your production SAP system, typically in private subnets, along with Google services like File Store. Now, how do you connect to this Rise environment? Google Cloud offers several connectivity options depending upon the requirements. For the corporate user connectivity, we have Google Cloud VPN. This establishes an encrypted tunnel over the public internet to your Rise VPC. It's a straightforward option, utilizing your existing internet bandwidth. You will need a public static IP for your VPN gateway. There are options for active-active and dual redundancy VPN setups. Then there is dedicated interconnect. For more demanding workloads, dedicated interconnect provides a direct physical connection between your on-premises network and Google's network. This offers higher bandwidth with lower latency. Moving on, we also have a variant of dedicated interconnect called Partner Interconnect. Similar to dedicated interconnect, but connectivity is established through a supported service provider. This can be beneficial if you don't have a direct presence at a Google Cloud interconnect location. In our experience, we have seen this to be the most used option. If you have your own GCP projects, VPC peering allows you to create private connectivity across different VPC networks within and across organizations or regions. Think of it like uniting two private networks, allowing internal IP traffic to be routed directly. This is preferred for customers already on GCP who want control over firewall and monitoring. For HTTPS access to your SAP systems from the internet, we have HTTPS access with cloud load balancing along with Cloud Armor. It's not active by default and requires a customer request. Cloud Armor enhances security for internet-facing applications. For customers having Google Cloud Landing Zone setup, they can extend the connectivity from their setup to the Rise tenant hosted by SAP and make use of the existing security and firewall policies. For the rest of the customers, they can directly connect to the Rise tenant on Google Cloud using previously mentioned options based on their bandwidth requirement. What if you are a startup without an on-premises network? There are interim solutions available. Since SAP mandates at least one point-to-point connectivity, direct HTTPS access through CLB, which is Cloud Load Balancer alone, might not suffice initially. Options include deploying a Windows server with RDP access or a VDI solution in your own GCP project and then use VPC peering to connect to the Rise VPC. However, these are generally considered short-term solutions. Now let's briefly touch on costs. Generally, the customer is responsible for the connection to the cloud services, including the internet connection and the customer-side VPN gateway. SAP's responsibility extends to the point of demarcation, which for a VPN is the outbound firewall or the VPN of SAP's computing environment. For site-to-site VPN, everything behind SAP's demarcation point is covered by SAP, while you will handle the public static IP and VPN gateway cost. In summary, Rise with SAP on GCP offers a range of flexible and secure connectivity options, from VPNs and direct interconnects to VPC peering. The best choice for you will depend on your existing infrastructure, security requirements, bandwidth needs, and whether you already have a presence on Google Cloud. Please reach out to your Google Cloud account team to learn more. Thank you.